Come back to this point where you see that right now, what are you? Then if something is getting caught, then in the play the suggestion is just let go. Simple allowing, simple surrender. But something is sticky, then the suggestion is inquire. Who is it that is stuck? Inquiry brings us to the direct tasting of this reality of who we are, back to the simple witnessing without the sticky conditioning. If inquiry is not feeling natural, what should one do? Come to satsang, hear the words of satsang, experience the energy of satsang, presence of satsang. That itself will clean up a lot of it. If you're not in satsang, then contemplate. What is it? You read the transcripts. You read the transcripts. Contemplate them. What does it mean? What does it mean when he says, right now you are free? It's just like this. Contemplation is just like that. Many of you are getting the wrong idea about contemplation. No, it's okay. You get the wrong idea about contemplation. You just have to look at the words and say, okay, how is the experience here? And look deeply. If the words of the contemplation are, you are the unchanging awareness. Look and see if it is true. The sensations of the body are not the unchanging awareness. Therefore, and the sage could not be lying. So what else is here? And some other thoughts, some other things. Okay, this is not the unchanging awareness. What is the sage talking about? Presence of existence is here. But even this is not unchanging. There is sleep and there is waking. Then what is the sage talking about? Who witnesses even this presence? Is that changing? Is it not aware? Am I not this? To see that I am this is the contemplation. Just like this. But we get caught up. Okay, I'm doing the contemplation. Oh, it's boring. I don't feel like it. Feeling come. But this is what I am right now. I am this feeling. So, as we get more and more attracted to the reality of the self, and that changing realm doesn't seem as attractive anymore, then these contemplations will seem easier and easier. The play is that the but is never true. You are the self. No but is ever true. You see. Therefore, no suggestion is also ever required. But if the but feels true, then we must try the suggestion from these sages. That's what they're there for. And now the philosophy is that old that whatever level of but you can have, there will be a suggestion available. There's so many diverse so-called paths, so many ladders for us to climb. It's not difficult to really come to this point of neutrality if that is our truest urge. Mhm. Are we willing to be completely naked forever and without any story? Those who have this feeling that they are, this kind of direct satsang is for them. Mhm. Many times it can sting, but later as we are confronted with the destruction of the false ego, with all its stories, then something can come and say, no, no, not really, maybe I'm not up for it yet. And that's completely fine. There is no impulse, although it might seem like it sometimes, but there is really no feeling here that I must push you out of the play. Something, if you're still playing, I must drag you out of the playground. But if it feels true to me, what you are saying, if it feels true to me that what you want is freedom, irrespective of what happened, then I will say drop it, drop it, drop it.